Okay, what you're looking at here is the Eden sprinkler system that I'm going to put on some plants I just put in the ground. This is what came with it. This is the bag. You got this bundle of hose, these risers, that T, two ends. This one goes on the garden hose, and I'm not sure what this is for right off. This tool did not come with it, but it's really works out nice for cutting the hose. I'll go out and we'll see the other parts now. These are the 4 sprinkler heads that came with it, and I'm going to be using them obviously to water those plants you see there. What I did is I measured those in to where I want them. Now I'll pull them out and I'll go inside and I'll connect the hose to them. Here's the 5 lengths that I cut off of the bundle that came with it. For me, I needed 2 5-foot lengths and 1 6-foot length. According to the instructions, the spray pattern, you can spread them out 3 to 13 feet. So I'm going 6 and then 5 for my distance between the sprinkler heads. Over here, I have the hose, and I'm just going to show you. I'm going to cut a small piece off the end here with this tool right here to show you how easy it is with this tool. I'm just going to cut a small piece off the end. It's a lot easier than using a knife. You can use a knife, but that tool really works well. So now I'm in the process of putting these ends on. This end is going to go to my garden hose or the spigot. This is the first end I put on the sprinkler. Now I'm going to show you something here. I have this pan of water that I brought to a boil on the stove. The hose that they give you right here, it's stiff. You can see I can't hardly squeeze that. So if I want to put it on the end here and tighten that nut on it, it probably won't seal it. So what I do is I stick this in the hot water for maybe, not long, 10-15 seconds, and now the end of it becomes very pliable. I'll stick that on there and tighten it up, and that should seal real well. So here's the next one. I'm going to dip it in there like 10 seconds. Take it out. Ooh, it's nice and soft. Bring it over here, and I'm going to put it on here and screw it on tight. It should work great. So I have it out here, and I've put the sprinkler heads in. You can see the line. This one is going to actually sprinkle this direction onto the grass. And I have my hose running around, and it connects to this conglomeration that I'll straighten out after I get everything working. One other thing is I have these pieces of metal here. It's just metal that I've bent in a U shape that I'm going to push in around the hose to kind of hold it in place. Again, I just made those out of a piece of wire. Well, I have it all connected and I have it turned on. I've already adjusted the on-off lever on each one of the heads to get what I want for a spray. They'll spray out there quite a ways if they're wide open. And then the last one, which I have turned to spray on this grass area right here. that gets missed. Now I also have the hose that goes to the sprinklers connected here, and I have a little shut-off valve here that I can also adjust the pressure on the line. And this hose, and it's connected to a timer. So I'm going to set the timer for what I need for watering those a couple times a day. I still have these parts, the extenders, the T, and, well, the coupler. I'll just put those away, and maybe down the road, if my plants get higher and I need to get the sprinkler up more, I'll put them in there and raise it up.